Hello everyone, today's video is about my look onto the most popular tripods. First of all, that is the brand new PGYTECH Mantis tripod, and the second tripod I will be comparing today, that is Joby GORILLA Pod 3K with aluminum arms. Point I want to share today is what is the difference. Why did I buy myself PGYTECH Mantis tripod when I have already had one from Joby? The first thing which comes handy, that is the size. Mantis tripod from PGYTECH is way more compact comparing to the one from Joby. First of all, I will remove the camera. Here I have a Sony ZV-1 with a nice small rig cage. I will also make a review for that cage soon. And here is just how Joby GORILLA Pod 3K Pro looks like. The arms are folded now, and they are pretty stiff. When it comes to vlogging and you want to extend the tripod to get the most available reach for the tripod, Joby has slightly longer reach. So when you flip the tripod in that way, when it unfolds completely, one more, yeah, like so, and then you remove the ball head, then you place it in the proper place, and that's how you get the maximum available extension of this tripod. And in such position it is longer than Joby GORILLA Pod, because what we can do with Joby is simply just tilt the ball head, yeah, and basically that's it. If you compare from the very end, which is here, all the way to the place where the camera stays, over here, PGYTECH has longer range. I would say at least 10 centimeters longer, and that is noticeable. If you vlog with the camera like Sony ZV-1, which has only 24mm length at the widest setting, and you use active stabilization, that those 10 centimeters extra which you get with the PGYTECH are really make the difference. It also comes with included holder for the cell phone, which is foldable and which is stored inside the arm. So if you do like that, then you have your phone holder right inside the tripod, and it's always with you. And I do use this feature. I'm using this tripod for around 2 months now, and that is very handy. It doesn't matter that you need to vlog with your smartphone all the time. Even if you are at home and you want to watch some TV show or whatever, you don't have to look for the other tripod which is hanging somewhere in your house. You just grab the one which is here inside, and it's always with you. The other thing is excellent and so much better than in Joby is, of course, the quick release plate. The one which comes with the PGYTECH is innovative and patented ARCA-SWISS plate with a nice and fancy screw over here. So once you tighten the camera, with this ARCA-SWISS plate and with this bolt, you will never be able to accidentally lose your camera, because it will never unscrew from the ARCA-SWISS plate. Even with your hands, you can just tighten as strong as you can, and then even if you set camera on an ARCA-SWISS compatible ball head. Yeah, by the way, the one from Joby ARCA-SWISS ball head also takes the ARCA-SWISS plate from PGYTECH. So once it's fixed and you are hanging around vlogging and your camera is turned, it will actually not lose the bolt, because in between the bolt and that ARCA-SWISS plate from PGYTECH there is a bearing which prevents bolt from being unscrewed by accidental moving of the camera. That is top feature of this Mantis tripod, because from the other side, if you take original ARCA-SWISS plate from Joby, once you screw, you can also screw more with this flap, and now you twist it, yeah, and it's already loose. Yeah, because if I twist it more, and then the camera already falls from the tripod, yeah, and it's loose. That's simple. But with PGYTECH it will never happen. I laugh about PGYTECH. That's the ball head itself. So, for example, you are filming your shot, your movie, your review, and you set camera to a horizontal level like so, but you also need to move to film a panoramic clip, whatever. So with Joby, to do that, because if you tighten this knob, you cannot move the ball head without unscrewing the ball head from the tripod itself. Now what I did is just unscrewed the ball head from the tripod, from the legs, from the arms, but without changing the roll. I cannot do that. I will have to open this knob to release it, and then changing the original angle which I set, original horizontal level. With the PGYTECH it will never happen, because this ball head has two adjustments which are not dependent on each other. So I will demonstrate this. Okay, I get this. By the way, let's check it on my smartphone. So, foldable smartphone holder, always with me. It also has a cold shoe on top of it. It also fits the same ARCA-SWISS plate, just like so. There is a security feature which will not allow your smartphone holder to jump away from the tripod. Okay, now it's secured, and let's say, yeah, I would like to have this horizontal level. Okay, I don't like this, I don't like that, I like horizontal level, secured. Now it's not moving, and now I want to film a panoramic view. Here is one more knob. I just let it go, and I can rotate camera 360 degrees in a pen axis without changing my roll axis angle. That's very nice, and that is what makes also PGYTECH MantisPod better, I would say better than the Joby Gorilla Pod for that version 3K, which come at the same equal price. Of course, it's 360 degrees ball head, very sturdy, and what I like about that, which is also different, that unlike the one from Joby or from other popular brands where all the ball heads are fixed with a bolt, this one in the PGYTECH thanks to its quick release design, is fixed with a cold screw mount. You only need to unscrew here, and then here is a small safety pin, and you have it just in your hands, and then you can use it with any other compatible accessories. By the way, here inside is also a hole for the same bolt, and let's say you don't have or you don't want to use a cold screw mount, but you want to go the same way like majority of the ball heads, and you can take any accessory with a screw and you can still screw it inside this ball head from PGYTECH, just like so. And the last thing which also comes handy when using the PGYTECH is, of course, its Mantis design with this hook and with the possibility to be open so wide to get the low shooting angles. And with this hook you can let's say put this on a bench, hang it somewhere, and it will hold in place and give you some extra flexibility when you are shooting in the city or somewhere where you don't have a lot of mounting options. When it comes to mounting options, of course Joby has a bit more flexibility, but I was not using that a lot. It's in my setup when I want to travel on board the ship. But where I am now, by the way, it's very challenging to carry all the gear. Anyway, now I have both tripods with me because I'm still testing the PGYTECH Mantis tripod, and it's actually handy to have this one when you want to shoot a vlog in airport or some product review, whatever. And that's what I need. If you need one, then you can get one. So thank you for the review. Subscribe to my channel.